future of drone operations is evolving, and with it comes new regulations from the FAA. This is Michael Bowman from Sentera, and I'm here with Matt Skelton, the PHX product owner. Today, we're diving into the world of remote ID and what it means for you and your PHX drone.
By September 16, 2023, all consumer drones in the United States must comply with the FAA's remote ID regulations. The FAA's aim? To integrate drones safely into the national airspace system and to pave the way for more advanced drone operations.
Remote ID is like a digital license plate for your drone. It broadcasts vital information like the drone's ID, location, altitude, velocity, and takeoff location. Sentera's solution is a user-installable remote ID module for the PHX. This module uses the Bluetooth beacon protocols to broadcast the necessary information, ensuring you're always in compliance. The PHX remote ID module is broadcast compliant, with standard remote ID compliance expected in the future.
We worked hard to ensure that the remote ID module is not just compliant, but also user-friendly. Our installation guide and video will walk you through each step of the process. Visit the Sentera support site or click the links in the description of this video to view those resources.
So, what do you need to do? First, if your PHX was purchased before September 2023, it's time for an upgrade. Purchase our Remote ID add-on kit from the Sentera web store and install it into your drone.
All PHX drones with the serial number of 2056 or greater are ready for the Remote ID add-on. For those with serial numbers below 2056, a long-range comms upgrade may be necessary. Additionally, your FlyPHX application and CentOC firmware must be up to date to use Remote ID. Once installed and updated, you can verify the status of your Remote ID system from the fly screen of FlyPHX. A green icon indicates the Remote ID system has passed the pre-flight self-test and is ready to go.
At Sentera, we're committed to ensuring your PHX drone remains a reliable tool for your agricultural imagery needs today and tomorrow.